I want to know who in YouTube world starts off a video looking like this. Yes, bitch. Me. You guys know I don't give a damn on how I start a video. Like, I sometimes start off looking nuts, crazy, because I feel like I'm just gonna keep it so honest with you guys, and I'm just gonna sit here and just give you guys my authentic self. I don't start off all fucking stunning, girl. Like, let me tell you, this is why I go from a caterpillar to a butterfly, bitch. I fucking transform. So welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Don't be lurking, because this is going to be a video where it might, a lot of people might have a lot of feelings about this video. But right now, before we start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and then also give this video a thumbs up, because you already know I'm about to do a good ass fucking job. Today's gonna be a fucking good day. If anyone is not a big fan of Jeffree Star Cosmetics or Jeffree Star or anything like that, this is a video probably not for you. But if you're someone that's a fan of makeup and that's all that matters, keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and create looks and also unboxing the new anniversary collection of Blood Sugar. Now, listen, you guys already know I'm not a big fan of red eyeshadow. Red eyeshadow, like, honestly freaks me out because, like, I don't know how to dress it. Like, I'm one of those people, like, red is like, ooh, like a red lip, fire. I'm all about a red lip. But this collection is all about Blood Sugar. It's a anniversary of one of the biggest, honestly, I do remember one of the biggest launches of Jeffree Star. Like, I remember when he came out with the regular one, and when this came out, it was one of those palettes where I wanted it because I'm such a maroon girl. Like, I love maroons, but when it comes to red eyeshadow, listen, red, maroon, two different things. Okay, that's like blue and green, two different things. I was like, oh my god, but I love maroons. So this is the anniversary. He was so nice enough to send us all over to the studio. We all know, like, the Blood Sugar palette came in like the opposite color. So this came in the red and then the font was white. And let me just go ahead and peep this out and show you guys on what the palette looks like. I mean, honestly, I don't want to break my nail. The color is so sensational. I mean, these colors are fabulous. I love this. It's been a palette that I've used for quite some time. So I might be digging it into the old, you know what? Let me go ahead and show you guys the old palette. Hold on. So this is the old palette, and obviously this is the new palette. So we did like a vice versa. It's a switch of color, super dope. So I will be diving into some of this for sure. He did launch the Blood Sugar Mini. So this is the packaging. It's everything vice versa. So the white packaging with the red font, super dope, super cute. I actually really love this picture. I think this is such a cute, iconic photo, and what a great way to kind of celebrate the miniature palette. Listen, let me tell you guys something, okay? Whether you guys like Jeffree or not, whether the situation, because I feel like right now, I feel like the beauty world and the makeup world and queens and people that are a fan of makeup and a fan of icons and things like that are very on edge when it comes to talking about Jeffree. You know, I think it's interesting because a lot of people kind of bite their tongue and not want to say it. But here's the thing, I'm one of those people where I've always believed in cancel culture. I never supported it, I hated it, and I believe that people do deserve more than one chance. I'm one of those people myself that I have gotten more than one chance. If you're someone that doesn't believe in chances, then honey, you're gonna have it rough down the road. Like I said, on my channel, I love makeup. Listen, I've been using Kat Von D for years. Do you know what I mean? I've been using MAC Cosmetics for years. I've been using these brands for years, and trust and believe there's controversial things that happen with the brand. Trust, I worked with MAC for a long time. So, miniature palette, super cute. I do want to dive into this red shadow here. I know that's the big celebration, but he did shrink this down into this cute little 9 shadow palette. This is the Skin Frost highlighter, so this is super dope. I haven't seen a highlighter palette in a long time. Like, I haven't, especially from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I haven't seen one, but overall, I don't think any brands are coming out with new highlighter palettes. Like, I feel like highlighter palettes kind of like disappeared. So here is the cute little picture of the campaign. I want to say this is the old campaign. Possibly. I'm not one of those people where I remember photos for life. But this is the highlighter palette. And then here is the signature vault that he did with the all nude, and he came up with the all red. So this is so nice. I'm honestly feeling so spoiled that I should not have all these shades, because girl, what the fuck? This is a lot of lipsticks. Like, this is a lot. Like, you guys don't understand. This is a lot of lipstick. I'm telling you guys right now, we are so spoiled nowadays, overall when it comes to like makeup, because back in the day, we didn't have this much makeup. Like, this is insane to me. Like, you know, and I'm not even talking from a PR's perspective, and I'm not talking from like an influencer like perspective, because before I was an influencer or whatever you want to call it, I'm still till today a makeup purchaser. Like, I go to Sephora and I spend my fucking money, and I don't care. I just love makeup, you know, like, it's just, I'm a collector. Not a collector because I don't like worship the makeup. Like, you know, there's collectors where they worship it. I just want to have it. That's all. That's the difference. Okay, so when I mean collector, meaning like I just want to have it and play with it and then I'm done with it. You know what I mean? I'm obsessed with this section here. This is definitely, oh wow, look at this Diva. I think that's a new one. I've tried Prom Night before and I do remember loving that color. I'm not a pink person. It's very rare that I wear pink. I just feel like pink and drag is so basic to me. Like, you know, like when you, this is not trying to come for nobody, okay? I know y'all in the comments right now trying to read me and try to say some bullshit. Pink and black eyeshadow to me is such like, it just reminds me of like when I first started drag. It was such a basic face and I just don't ever want to see it again. So that's what I mean by like basic, okay? Relax, relax. Love this. We're gonna go ahead and open up the iconic mirror. Now, I love the mirrors. I'm actually very excited about this one. I'm trying to open this without ruining my nail. This is so cute. Very cute, very on brand. Love this. I love the matte texture. I'm gonna set that one right there because I do love that color. I do love that. But you guys, today we're gonna get into drag. We're gonna get into some little moments. We're gonna play with some red. I'm kind of feeling like red and in red. Very monochromatic. I'm gonna pull out the Blood Sugar palette because, like I said, you guys, I really do love this maroon moment, and so let's kind of get into it, you guys. As I'm priming my eyes, you guys, like I was saying, I'm very excited for this year because I really feel like this year makeup is going to take a turn. You know, I think what's happening with the makeup world right now is we're kind of on standby, and a lot of people are not only cringing, a lot of people don't know what to do. A lot of the inspiration is not really there, you know, and I'm talking about just overall. I've unfollowed a couple of makeup gurus that I used to look up to, and I just feel like they're just not really inspiring me. I don't need to sit there and see you 5 times a fucking month putting on some wing liner. Like, I really don't need to see that. You know, it's not their fault. It's just saying in general, I just think the makeup world right now, we're just at this place where a lot of the makeups are against each other. People aren't really doing reviews anymore. And I'm like, I love reviews. So I'm gonna continue to keep doing reviews because I truly love them and I love doing them, and I love seeing people in the comments, you know, appreciating reviews. But I just feel like the makeup world, that the reviews aren't the same anymore. I think people are just now only using brands that their friends are coming up with, you know? And I'm like, okay, so that's like the perfect definition of being biased. Yes, that's your friend's makeup line, so of course you like it. You're not gonna talk down on it because, one, you don't have a spine. I just think overall, like, for someone like me, like, I don't have a lot of friends that come out with makeup. Actually, I don't really hang out with beauty gurus like that, to be honest, because I rather hang out with like my guy friends. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's who I get along with. Don't get me wrong, I do have makeup friends, but I'm just saying, like, I just feel like a lot of influencers don't really give the true opinion because they are their friends. As someone that doesn't really have or hang out with people like that, I don't give a fuck what I say. I really do hope you guys understand that and really do know when I do give reviews and I do give opinions, it's really my opinion and what I really think about it and whether you guys like it or not. That was a cute little talk, right? A cute little talk as I did my primer. I'm gonna go ahead and do some light pinks. So I'm gonna do this color called Tongue Pop. I don't really want shadow on top. I just want like something. I want the bottom of my eyes to be red. So what I'm trying to do today, you guys, is red liner kind of just blurred out underneath. We're gonna celebrate a really cool lash today, and then I want to do a red lip. I think that's gonna be very fucking sexy. I cannot not just have nothing on my lid. So I'm gonna pick this color. This color is called Tongue Pop, and it's like a very beigey, peachy kind of shadow. And I'm just gonna really just put it up here lightly and just kind of blur it like that, okay? And just kind of blur it like so. When you guys are using like light colors for the lid, it's really like hard to like mess up because it's so light, and I feel like that's this color. It's just so light. It's so light and airy and just easy. Like, look at it, I'm not even like trying and I'm just fucking killing it. And honestly, the reason why like I don't want to put red all over is because I'm not trying to walk around my house and stain my eyes. I have a lot of shows this weekend, so that's why I'm not trying to put red all over. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get that on there. I was gonna do a pink lip, but I think keeping it very monochromatic red to really celebrate this collection, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then also, you guys in the comments, sound off. Let me know, like, are you guys buying this collection? Do you guys support it? Do you guys think it's necessary to do an anniversary? I know a lot of brands do anniversary and celebrations of their iconic moments, and I think that's really important too, you know, because like I feel like when you remember collections and remember launches, it's important as a brand owner, which a lot of people don't understand because a lot of people don't own brands. When you are a brand owner and you're proud of something, I feel like you should anniversary it or something. You should remind people on like how sickening it was. Now, would I have loved to see a different palette? But I mean, how many ways would you make this? Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like this is already so iconic that I don't think it could be redone. As I'm just kind of getting this shade all over, I'm really loving it. Now, I really want to get it a little more red. So let's go ahead and what the fuck? Dive into this color called Cherry Soda. It's a little bit more red, a little bit more on the cherry side, as what the name says, but don't get it so red up there. Oh fuck, that's so red. So I'm just gonna blur it like that. I rarely do red shadow. I feel like people are allergic to it. Do you guys know that? Like, a lot of people are actually allergic to red shadow. It's like, it's something about like, I remember working at MAC, it's something about like a beetle or like a, I don't know, I'm saying it wrong. There's like a red dye or an ingredient that can make people really allergic to red shadow. So, and I was told that because I remember at MAC, I was like, why is there no red shadow? You know, they're like, oh, this is why. I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. Get a little bit of that maroon in there. So I think that's pretty much how red I'm gonna get it. Because you guys, I really want the bottom to be like red. You know, like red. Actually, I can use this gold. What about red and gold? Let's put it on. Ooh, that's cunt. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so cunt. Just getting that gold right on top. Because honey, we're about to go in with that red liner. Okay, so far I'm loving this. It's very out of my comfort zone for sure, but I really want to do a red liner. Like this is gonna bleed my eyes. Like I already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull our red liner. I'm gonna pull out some Colourpop. This is just a very basic red liner. Let's go ahead and get that red liner on the bottom. I want it red. I want it like red. Okay. Oh god, this is about to stain the fuck out of my eye. I already know it. Same thing here. Let's get some red on. So we got the red on. That's as red as I want it. I mean, I kind of want it more red. Ooh, that liner on top is gonna do the trick, honey. Okay, so this shade here is the celebration shade. This is the shade that's gonna make it overall like the shit. It's called Wisdom. So you guys see here, I have red. Everything's blown out. Very simple little eye on top, but on the bottom, we're gonna make it that much sexier. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. You guys, I think I want to put this all over my eye. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is gonna go all over my eye. I'm taking this. I totally just changed my eye. Wow. Look how fucking beautiful this is, girl. Oh, I'm gagged. That red is actually really pretty. I kind of want to blur it out more. Bitch, this is about to fucking stain my eye. Whatever, fuck it. It needs something. It needs something on the edges. Like, I really think it needs something like maroon or like I want to say like just something darker, you know? So I'm going to pull out this maroon color. Getting a brush, I'm going to pick the darkest shade in this Blood Sugar palette, which is like a maroon purple. And let's kind of see. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I kind of know what I want to do now. Get that maroon in there. I love purples and maroon and pink. You just kind of want to like a little maroon in the inner corner. This is gonna really give it like a definition kind of, you know, like it looks like I do eyeshadow for a living. How is that, you guys? Oh, that's dope. I really do love this fucking red shade. Like this red shade is everything. It's literally to die for. This is gonna stain the fuck out of my eye. I already know it. Okay, so I really do need like a darker purple because this, I really want it to have like definition. So I'm gonna dig into this palette and just, yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's so dope. So let's go ahead and see some liner. Ooh. Okay, bitch. I'm feeling cunt. Ooh, she needs some bottom lashes so I can just really let y'all have it. Okay. So as that dries, we're gonna go ahead and pick the lip. I'll do my lashes off camera. That's a look. Like, I don't really feel like I should add more. Like, I feel like this is like, she's it. Like, a part of me wants to do a nude lip, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna do a red. Now, there's a shade here called Bite My Tongue. I wanna do like a red, like just like dark. So look how dark this one is. Like, ooh. How is that? Ooh, that's sexy as fuck. Cause I think a traditional red, there's one here called Heartbeat. I just won't wear, I don't wanna wear a traditional red. I think this needs to be dark. I think it needs to be, you know, like, ooh, that's a good shade too. Look at that shade. Okay, that's a dark, that one's called Heartbeat. What about Heart Rate? It's getting a little too red. I mean, I love the dark. I think I'm set on Bite My Tongue. I've tried Unicorn Blood already and I love that one. So let's go ahead and try this one. This one's called Misery. Misery is like a, oh, it's more like a brown. I think, you know what? Bite My Tongue is going to be the girl. She's gonna be it. Oh, Ma, look at this. It stains. Ooh, okay. Yikes! So this is Colourpop Liner. This is called Boarding Pass. I'm just gonna double check. So this is the liner right here. I'm just gonna make sure that this is the matching one and it matches on perfect. The universe is my friend and they want me to use this shade. Now, let's go ahead and just line the lips. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I always like to line the inner corners. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how much this lip shade matches this liner. So this is called Bite My Tongue. Very dark, very gaudy. Love it. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. I'm so obsessed with this shade. I actually don't really care for my lip liner. Wow. Y'all, this lip shade is everything. Oh, wow. I'm shook. Alrighty guys, we kind of somewhat finished the look. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up a few minor things, pluck on a lash, figure out what hair I'm gonna wear, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Oh my god, I feel like I have not seen red shadow on me in like forever. I feel like I'm Kimora Blac's like dark sister, like scary. Oh, hold on, let me put on some fucking mascara. Y'all didn't even tell me. How dare you guys just let me fucking sit here and not have any mascara on. I hope you guys got some little tips and tricks today. That's usually the goal of my videos. But bitch, if I had to pick a palette that has red, obviously I'll pick this one. This red is phenomenal. Like, I'm not even lying. I had so much fucking fun doing this video. Like, I feel like the dark side of Kimora Blac. Like, this is everything. And you guys, I had to be honest, I did love the lip, but I think for this look today, because it's just so much going on, I felt like this darker gloss would like really tie this look together. So that's why I put on the gloss. So if you guys were wondering what kind of gloss it was House Labs. If you guys are gonna get this collection, get the collection. If you guys are not gonna get the collection, don't get the collection. It's not the end of the world. Now, if someone is gonna get the collection, let them get the collection. It's fucking makeup. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like people make like makeup so political and make makeup so like this is that, this is that. I honestly love the collection. I thought the pigment was cool. The collection is dope. Now, if I had to be honest, as a red collection, I would be terrified. But because of the red and the anniversary of the blood sugar, that's why I was like, okay, this is a dope fucking anniversary. I get it. Because that palette changed a lot of people's lives. And I know a lot of my fellow queens and fellow people that are still using the palette to this day. Let me know, first of all, let me know what you guys think about this look. Like, should I continue to do this look or not? Or you guys like it fluffy hair and gorgeous? So, but in the meantime, I love y'all so fucking much. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I can't wait to see all the looks that you guys do with this inspirational look that I did, because honey, this is the look. So I'll be back in a couple of days, and for anyone that's wondering when it comes to the RuPaul's Drag Race reviews, honestly, I'm bored. I'm just bored. I'm gonna go take some makeup remover because I'm about to, like, I already know this whole eyeshadow stained my lid. Fuck. I'll see y'all later.